This is actually the sport camera 180p Wi-Fi H264 camera. So it's the thumbnail size, and I bought this recently. I haven't used it before because I'm actually missing a memory card, but I'm going to be reviewing it, and once I do get the memory card, I'm going to be posting a video on the quality of the recording. So yeah, so I bought this from Amazon, and I'll be leaving a link in the description box for how much it does cost. If you're interested, just go and check over there. So this is actually not everything that comes in this camera, although I did choose to take the specific items that I did require. So the box is actually empty. We do have a manual. It's very, very simple to read and understand. I have read all this. The only thing I haven't done is to scan and connect it to an app, which I'll be doing that once I do get my memory card. So this is actually written in English, so it's a very, very simple guide, and in the guide we do have everything you need to know and everything you need to understand while using this, so you will read that. So for the items, we do have this and the camera. So for starters, let's start with the camera. This is the size of the camera. The quality is very good. On the sides, it has this place where you can actually use a cable or install the USB card. So there's that two places. Here we do have a button where you just press it and it starts. So most of the features are actually controlled on the app. You can easily zoom in, zoom out, check the battery on the app. So this is just like a one-buttoned camera. And for the size, as you can see, it's just the size of a thumbnail, like they keep on saying. It's the size of the thumbnail. So it's a very, very small camera. And that's the reason why I do love it. So we have the camera. Then here we do have a rope that just like clips it to your arm. But then I'm not sure why it has this small tagging. I thought this is supposed to fit your wrist. So I'm not sure, but I think this one is just for putting it over here and looping it and putting it on your arm so that it doesn't fall if you want to be carrying it around. We do have the USB and is it a USB connector? And over here you can put your memory card and just put it on the laptop for transferring of data and so on. We have our charger, and it's a multifunctional charger. You can either use it on a laptop like that, from phone to the you need directly to the camera directly in case you're transferring data or charging. So it does charge. Then here we do have this adapter where you can actually use it to just by clipping it somewhere on the cloth or something to hold on to, and then you can easily install your camera. Sorry. And it's very, very firm. Like it holds on the camera very firm. This can't fall. So it's good even for people who are doing deliveries and so on. And then over here we have our magnet chain. And this is the main reason why I bought this, because I just did love when I saw how it can easily attach. So it has this, what are they called? Pulling things where you can just like adjust the length of the neck, depending with how far you want it attached to your neck. So we have that. You can easily adjust it, the strength of I don't know, it's a yarn or a rope. You can easily adjust. And this thing has got a very, very strong magnet pull. Like it's so strong, it can't fall out. So you'll put this inside the cloth, then you just like connect it on the top. So this is one thing I do love about this, and this is the reason why I purchased this. I haven't used the camera. Like I said, I haven't tested its quality of the video, but I will soon. And once I do, I'll be posting another video. But I do love this idea of just like hanging it around the neck and being on the go. So it's a very simple camera. And one thing I realized, it's so light. It's not heavy. I think it can be around 200 grams, 200 or less grams. So there's that. So it records for around 6 hours. I'm not sure. I haven't tested it out. So I'll be updating that once I do. And you can actually buy an extra wind protector or reducer to place it on top of the mic. So this is actually the mic, this is the button, and this is the camera. So I think I've mentioned everything, and I feel like if you're actually somebody who enjoys daily vlogs, if you're somebody who enjoy bike rides, this is something you can get for yourself and just use it to capture every day moments in your life, and also just explore the options that you do have. There are so many different kinds, but I would highly recommend this one because the quality is actually amazing.